All right, we've had some of the craziest hailstorms this summer. We made national headlines with hail pelting people at Red Rocks Amphitheater. You probably remember this. Plus, weeks after, we saw record-breaking sized hail in a number of locations. I was just telling Chris, who's sitting beside me, about a 5-inch diameter hailstone, which could be a state record up in northeast Colorado. Well, you might be scrambling to find someone trustworthy to help you with your home repairs after all this hail. We wanted to introduce you to 303 Roofer in this sponsored segment, and the owner, Chris Kane, is back. Great to see you, Chris.
Thanks for having me again.
Of course. So how does the process work? We've had hail, maybe you've had it, you've heard it hitting your roof. What do homeowners need to do?
Really, just determine if you have hail, right? So you heard it hit your roof, you probably have some hail damage. It may or may not be enough for an insurance claim. That's where you want to get a company involved, like us or another good company. Again, do your research, find a good company that can come out and take a look. Don't sign anything. That's what I'm going to tell you up front. Don't sign anything. Good companies don't need you to sign something to get up on the roof to do an examination and find out if there is hail. So really be careful, because a lot of times with these storm chasers that do come in town, they're going to knock on your door. They're going to want to get on your roof. They're going to want you to sign things. You might be signing a contract. You might be signing.
You had that happen.
We did have that happen, where someone tried to undercut us, came in and had our customer sign what they thought was a contingency or just a release to get up on the roof, when in fact it was a contract. Luckily, in the state of Colorado, there's a 72-hour right of rescission on an in-home sale, so we were able to get that canceled and finish the roof for them. But there's a lot of sneaky tactics that people, that bad roofing companies use to try and get you to get under contract with them. So I would just caution people, don't sign anything. No reason to sign something, but get a good company up there and have them take a look and see if there is hail damage. If there is, they'll let you know. At that point, they can help you through the claim process, or you can file the claim yourself. I always think that you should be involved. Manage your own construction project and make sure, again, you hire a good company. You in fact have hail. What you're getting put on the roof is in fact what you're supposed to be, because again, these storm chasers, they'll come in. A regular consumer has no idea, what a good shingle is versus a bad shingle. They could be putting on old shingles, lower than builder grade shingles, just to try and get in and out. I just caution people, just be proactive and manage your process.
And know your deductible.
You know your deductible. So that's huge.
You know your situation.
Yes, we've run into it. Unfortunately, a lot of people have gotten renewed with insurance when their insurance comes up. And instead of having a $500 or $1,000 deductible, they have a 1% or 2% deductible based on how much they've insured their home for. So, that gets to be, quite costly. And in some cases, you're actually going to have to pay cash for your roof, and insurance is not going to cover anything. You might get a few $100s, but it's not going to cover what it takes to replace your roof. So just know the process. Talk to your agent. Go online, just figure it out so that and determine, am I happy with what this deductible is, or can I find either another carrier or negotiate with my existing carrier to see if I can get a better deductible.
Do you have to be insured as a roofer?
Yes, you are supposed to be licensed and insured, but that does not mean that people that will come are not licensed or not insured, and we've seen that a lot too. They'll come and they'll do your roof and they'll try and get away with it. If the city catches them, that's going to be a problem for them, so they'll try and do a roof on a Saturday. To get away with it, because the cities aren't driving around, or the inspectors aren't driving around typically on the weekend. So again, just be careful. Check the licensing, check the insurance. Make sure that they actually pull a permit when the job is done, that the permit's been finalized. Get a copy of it. All these things is, again, just being a really smart consumer.
Chris, you also give discounts to military, right?
Yes, we do. Yeah. Yep. And really, for this show, we're giving it to everybody.
Awesome.
Just mention that you saw us on Great Day, Colorado. We're doing a $500 discount. And again, if I can just say one more thing too, since we're talking about money, don't pay anything up front. Wait till the job's done. Wait until you're happy. Make sure it's cleaned up, that you do have the final permit. Sometimes you might just have repair work that needs to be done, and not necessarily the whole roof. We can help you with your repairs. Also, we do full roof replacements, but we can also just help you with small repairs or larger repairs too.
All right, Chris. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
This is the time. Give them a call. 303 Roofer is offering free roof inspections with no pressure. You can give them a call. The number is 303-390-1382 or more. You can learn more online at 303roofer.com. And Chris and the team at 303 Roofer love our seniors and military members, so they're offering $500 off any full roof replacement. Like he said, This is also available for all viewers. Is that right, Chris, out
That's
there?
correct, yes.
Mention Great Day, Colorado, and get that $500 off. Thanks again to 303 Roofer for sponsoring this segment.